Hi there, please like and subscribe. Tap the three dots. Setting. Autofill service. Autofill with Google. Use info saved in your Google account to autofill passwords, passkeys, addresses, payment methods, and other info. Autofill using another service. To use another autofill service in Chrome, choose your autofill provider and under settings. After Chrome is started, your info saved from your provider will be used to autofill passwords, passkeys, addresses, payment methods, and other info. Restart Chrome to finish the change tab. Reopen your start. Please like and subscribe.